We said we wouldn't, but we did. What's up, YouTube? This is Ben from the B&B Homestead, and we said we wouldn't, but we did. We said we wouldn't plant anything in the front yard until next year, after the winter time. We thought maybe we just maintain the front yard and then work on it and concentrate on it next year, because we've been so busy with the backyard. But Beth is a busy bee, and she wanted to do something in the front yard before winter time. She has done a lot of stuff here. This area right here that we're looking at was so overgrown with weeds and brush. It was just unbelievable. She cut it back. She was determined. She got some flowers, some plants. She wanted to get it done before the winter time. I'm going to try to do the best I can at naming some of these. If I don't get them right or I can't name them, I'm sure Beth will tell me, but just please let me know down in the comment section. And this right here, I can't remember what it is. I think we have something like that in the back. I'm not sure. I'm sure Beth would tell me. She's at work right now. I just got home not too long ago from work. Yeah, she planted this one, and I know that is a daylily right there. That's going to be coming up. And luckily she left some tags on some of these. I should have known what this was. She told me this the other day, but this is let's see what we got here. Oh, a coreopsis. Okay, that's right. It's a coreopsis right there. And this one, I love this one, and the touch of it, it feels so unique. It's very beautiful. It's going to grow to be a beautiful little plant. And this is a Georgia plum corabelle. Let's see if you can see that. Georgia plum corabelles. And that is going to be a very beautiful plant. I can't remember what she told me this was. It's supposed to get fairly big, I think. So it's going to, a lot of these plants and flowers will grow out and fill out this. Of course, we're going to we will add to it. This one she got on sale, and that is a cherry tart sedum. Cherry tart sedum that she planted, and that is going to be a beautiful flower plant. This is, I want to say, another coreopsis because it looks similar. This is, yes, a uptick yellow and red coreopsis. So that is going to look really good. I better put this back deep in there. Don't want to get in trouble by the missus. That is another daylily. There's another daylily. Oh boy, she just told me this, and I really need to remember these. I know we have one in the back, and this one, I want to say hibiscus? No, probably not. I don't know. I'm not as familiar with the plant and flower names as she is. And then this one kind of looks similar to that, but of course, you know, it's not. This is a blanket flower, the Mesa blanket flower. And this is supposed to grow, and it's going to be very beautiful. All of them are going to be beautiful, of course. So she has done this pretty much all in a day. Tilled it out, laid the fabric down, planted these, and laid the mulch. We got to go down, keep moving further, and then around the corner, and I will get out here, and these stepping stones here, I'm going to take all this off. I'm going to clean them off, and I'm going to replace them so they look a lot better and respace them. But I also want to put stepping stones going out this way and in between the flower bed like this, so you can walk on the stepping stones as you're watering the plants and flowers. And then at the end here, we're going to have a bird bath, which we have. We just need to get it out and get it set up, which we'll probably do next year, maybe this year, I don't know, we'll see. That's all for right now. I thought I'd share this with you, the update, and I think she did a really good job. We are going to replace these borders. These are temporary. These were here before, but we are going to replace these. Beth had a really good idea. I'm not going to let you know that right now. We're still working that out, but she had a really good idea. And if it turns out, it is going to be absolutely beautiful. Yeah, that's it. So please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, as Beth likes to call it, the ringy dingy. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys.